Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell on the Kraken app. And seriously, it's very easy to buy or sell crypto. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to deposit money on our account. So make sure that you have a balance standing on your account. Then right now we want to buy something. And seriously, here on the right, here on our screen is standing literally a buy and sell option. And with this screen, you can buy and sell literally everything. So first of all, we want to, let's say, Bitcoin. Now we can also search for something else, Solana or other crypto or stocks, whatever you want, but let's choose Bitcoin. I want to buy 100 euros Bitcoin. And then from now we do review. Then from here, payment window expired. Confirm again. Then right now, select your bank account, do the following steps, and after that, you buy some crypto. It's seriously that easy. So this is how you can buy. If you want to sell, then we click everything away. So let's see, cancel payment, cross, and then we click here on sell, and then you can sell literally the amount of Bitcoin that we just bought. So let's say 100. Now I don't have Bitcoin right now. So right now I'm not allowed to sell my Bitcoin. But if you have some Bitcoin, you can just click here on review, select your payout details, and then you can sell your Bitcoin. So it's literally that easy. So hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.